Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to walk through how to back up your data in Telegram and just as important, how to transfer all that information to a new device safely and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how Telegram stores your messages and media, what you really need to do to switch devices, and the simple steps that will make the process totally stress-free. So let's dive right in. First things first, Telegram is a little different from apps like WhatsApp or Signal when it comes to storing your messages. Telegram is designed to be cloud-based, which means that almost everything you send and receive is actually stored securely on Telegram servers, not just on your phone itself. Think of it kind of like Google Photos, where your pictures live in the cloud and follow you wherever you log in, rather than being locked onto one specific device. That's really reassuring because it means your messages, groups, contacts, and downloaded media are always there, ready for you to pick up right where you left off, even if you switch phones or computers. Now, because Telegram handles everything in the cloud, you actually don't need to back up your chats manually if your goal is to move to another device. Say you're getting a shiny new phone, or you want to access your chats from a tablet or desktop. All you have to do is download the Telegram app on your new device, open it up, and log in using the same phone number you used before. Telegram will recognize your account and instantly sync all of your chat history, group memberships, channels, and contacts. Boom, everything just magically appears, no cords, no long waits, nothing complicated at all. Let's pause here for a second because I know this might seem almost too simple. A lot of us are used to juggling backup files or worrying that we'll lose something when we switch devices, especially with other messaging apps. But with Telegram, you don't need to export your chats or save any special files just to move to your new phone. The only exception is for secret chats. Those use end-to-end encryption and are device-specific, so they don't transfer by default for security reasons. But your regular chats will always come with you, and you can keep on going with zero hassle. Now you might be wondering, if everything's in the cloud, is there ever a need to back stuff up manually? Maybe you want a local copy of your chats for documentation, business records, or even just personal peace of mind. That's where Telegram's desktop app comes in handy. If you log into Telegram from your computer, there's an export feature built right in. It lets you save all or just some of your messages, media, and files straight to your computer. Think of it as downloading an archive, almost like you do with your social media data. This part is optional, but it's a great tool if you ever need an offline backup, want to organize important conversations, or just like having that extra layer of security. To wrap up, Telegram makes switching devices delightfully easy. As long as you log in with your same phone number, your chats and contacts are waiting for you. And if you want something extra, the desktop export tool is your friend. Don't worry if you're new to Telegram. These features are designed to keep your data safe and accessible with as little fuss as possible. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.